Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Padmore Primary from St. Andrew going up against Racecourse Primary from Clarendon. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Padmore Primary won and decided to allow Racecourse Primary to go first. So we begin with Racecourse Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Racecourse. Which judge of Israel's source of great strength was associated with his hair?
Samson.
That is correct. Just a reminder, no need to shout, just project your voice, please. Padmore. Which people were the main enemies of Israel during the time of the judge Samson?
The Philistines.
That is correct. Science. Racecourse. What is the name of the movable joint that allows only back and forth movement in humans?
Inch joint.
That is correct. Padmore. What is the name of the movable joint that allows turning movements such as the turning of the head and is found at the neck?
Ball and socket.
Incorrect, it's the pivot joint. Mathematics. Racecourse. What is the result when you subtract 8.9 from 42.1? Padmore, would you like to try?
Yes, 51.0.
Incorrect, it's 33.2. Still with Padmore? What is the result when you subtract 9.8 from 44.1? Racecourse, would you like to try?
No, miss.
No.
It's 34.3. English language, this is for Racecourse. Spell harass.
Harass.
That is correct. Padmore. Spell apparent.
Apparent.
Incorrect, it's apparent. Television, Racecourse. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Raphael, wears which color bandana?
Red.
Correct. Padmore. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Michelangelo, wears which color bandana?
Green.
Incorrect, it's orange. General knowledge, Racecourse. What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Correct. Padmore. What are the 2 official languages of Canada? Racecourse, would you like to try?
Yes, please. English and Spanish.
English and Spanish.
Incorrect, it's English and French. Social studies, Racecourse. Which Caribbean country was the first to gain independence from a European colonizer?
Haiti.
Correct. Padmore. Along with Haiti, what is the name of the other Caribbean country that occupies Hispaniola?
Dominican Republic.
Correct. Music, Racecourse. In what Caribbean island was R&B superstar Rihanna born?
Barbados.
Correct. Padmore, what is the nationality of popular singer-songwriter Drake? Racecourse, would you like to try?
Yes, please.
Canadian.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Padmore Primary on 2 and Racecourse Primary on 8. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.